When we started this project 3.5 years ago, we already decided that technology and virtuality will play a big role in Finnish Music Hall of Fame. My name is Olli Ilmalahti. I'm board member and partner of Finnish Music Hall of Fame. Finnish Music Hall of Fame is the story of Finnish music since 1890 to these days today, and all music genres are presented. The sound is the most important thing, and it's I would say even it's the most important part of our customer experience. I think it was 3 years ago already we contacted Genelec. Genelec is the leading company in audio, but also Finnish Music Hall of Fame and Finnish company. This is the great combination.
I'm Janne Sivonen and I work as a project designer for Bright. And this was a project for us where we need to fit the equipment in really tight space. We have displays, we have projectors, we have media players. We have almost 130 Genelec speakers, and we can access every channel discreetly from the processors. That's why we're building a sound network here also. We needed to build a system that can be remotely monitored and remotely managed. Having a speaker that is on the network and is PoE powered, I see it as the only way forward in this kind of system. The entrance room to the museum is a very wide projection. It's an almost 9-meter wide projection, and it's a transparent screen where we have placed 11 speakers behind the screen. The audio designers were using 3D mapping software to move sound through the speakers. It's an 8-minute collection of all music produced in Finland. So they try to manage the tight cutting and mix with placing sound in different parts of the room. In the Hall of Fame gallery, there is a over 10-channel mood setting, like slow mix that have been mixed just for that room. Then there is the multi-channel experience made by Tapio Lokki and his team, where the iconic Genelec quality really comes to shine.
My name is Tapio Lokki. I'm a professor in acoustics in Aalto University in Finland. So what we have created here is a fully immersive experience, that how it sounds when you are standing in the podium of a concert hall and then you have a symphony orchestra or a wind orchestra or a choir in front of you. So how it's done here is that we have 16 Genelec loudspeakers, and those reproduce both the direct sounds from the instruments, but then also the surrounding sound of the hall. So you have an authentic experience of how it really sounds in the Helsinki Music Hall. The visuals for that one is that you have a score, and then there is a bar which is actually following the music. And if they want, they can select some of the instrument groups, for example strings. They can listen strings separately. Of course they hear the full orchestra, but still it's like emphasizing a little bit of some of the sections. And this is kind of an educational part that you can practice, that how you can read the score by concentrating on some instrument groups.
Then there is also this room with Finnish music themes. That is an interactive room made by Ojoi. There we are also using multi-channel system to be a part of that you are in the room and you are experiencing as a whole. There is also a room of changing exhibitions that will be changing every 3 months. There is 18 speakers providing a virtual acoustic with different acoustic parameters for the room that you can change with the exhibition. The engineers were promising that you could provide the full range of the speaker as a normal powered speaker. It seems to be actually true.